Extratropical Lee brings threats to the northern USA and Canada. Here is Lee, has now made landfall as an extratropical storm with a position of 44.3 degrees north and 66.3 degrees west. It is currently moving north into Canada as we speak. It has currently got a wind speed of 70 miles per hour and a pressure of 968 millibars, pretty low there, which is 110 kilometers per hour and 28.585 inches of mercury. It is currently moving north at 16 miles per hour. This is latest at 7 PM Halifax, which is 7 PM Yarmouth, which is 22 UTC. Wind radius looks like this. There is no quadrant for 250, so 280 is there instead. It is 220 to the northeast, 280 to the southeast, 200 to the southwest, and then 140 to the northwest. Distance in miles is this. You got 40 from Yarmouth, 116 nautical miles from Halifax, 132 from Moncton, 312 from Sydney, and 469 from Corner Brook. Those are all mentioned inside the cone. In fact, I'm pretty sure the cone mentions it going straight over the top of Moncton in the next coming days. Force 13 currently has its max sustained winds at 70 miles per hour. The NHC, Force 13 and the ATCF will have it at 70 miles per hour. Have a SATCON going a bit higher on the scale, approaching 80 miles an hour there. The cone inside the top left, as you can see here, shows that Lee will be going straight through New Brunswick and going directly over Moncton. There will also be some sort of areas in Newfoundland and Labrador which could be affected, and warnings are all tropical storm warnings in place for Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and a bit of Maine there, which is now passing. And there is no current hurricane warnings in place anywhere inside of Canada right now, which is good. Anyway, the sea surface temperatures for Lee are this. As you can see, it is freezing cold, dipping to between 13 and 12 degrees Celsius, all the way up to Canada, and will continue to get colder when it passes through New Brunswick. So then the model guidance for Lee is here. As you can see, the multi-model diagnostic comparison, you can see Lee will continue to dip down in some intensity inside the coming days and will definitely not strengthen from here on out. The deep layer shear is coming out its lowest, however will raise slightly before then dropping once again. And the track forecast, you can see there, is going to cross the Atlantic and head to the north of the British Isles, and the sea surface temperatures are going to be staying low all around.